Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's K.monae, and I'm back with another video. So today, this is a new video, you guys. This is a different type of video. I'm so excited because I've been waiting for emails like this to come to me. Like, look what we're reviewing today. We're reviewing some hair today. Okay, so I received this hair. This UNice hair was sent to me. It's a wig. It's body wave 16-inch frontal wig. I feel like it's full lace. I don't know. So I did open it. I'm not even gonna cap to y'all, act like I ain't even opened it. I opened it and I want to feel, you know, the hair, because I never ordered from UNice hair. I always had clients that had UNice hair. I made a wig out of UNice hair for somebody before, but I never had UNice hair for myself. So this is gonna be a perfect review. So we unboxing and we're gonna install the wig right in this video. So this is what the box looks like. First of all, before I open it, it says UNice, you know, UNice Human Hair with their Instagram, you know, Facebook, YouTube right here. And then in the back is the right way to measure wigs, you know, little tips and tricks on how to like maintain your wig and make a wig, measure wig, you know, all of that good stuff. So we're gonna open the box. And I took the net off the hair already. Like, I already told you I opened this already. Like, maybe when I got it, cannot wait. First of all, but this is the hair. It is body wave. It's not a full lace wig. It's not a full lace wig, but it's a lace wig. And y'all, the hair just feel like so good. Like, I can't wait to install this. So I already have put the wig on to match it on my skin, and it looked like the lace is going to melt. Like, I feel like this is gonna melt. The hair is just like so soft, and running my hands through the wig, and it's just like no shedding, no nothing. This hair is just, I have got hair before to where like you run your fingers through it and then at the ends it get caught, and it's like yeah, like brand new hair, and that had happened to me before. So this right here is already just making me proud. When I had opened it the first time to show my mom, whew, like Jesus, you know. I am going to put this wig on. Like, I'm so excited. So this is a 16-inch wig. It came with this the secret to make your hair wig look more natural. Customers share the right way to measure a wig, best service. You know, it came with a little card or whatever inside the box. Initially there was a net around it, and then, you know, the little styrofoam thing inside with like tissue wrap and all, and then like it came nice and, you know, neat. So enough about talking about the hair, because we need to get it installed so we can know what's really up with this hair. Okay. So say goodbye to Jessica, because Jessica's gonna take a break. I have videos on this wig, Tinashe hair videos are in my thing or whatever, you know. You can go check those videos out. And yeah, we about to install this wig. Let's get straight to it. Y'all, like, I'm ready. I'm so excited. And like, it's like pre-plucked. It's like, what do I need to do to this wig? Nothing, baby. Period. Nothing. I don't need to do anything to this wig, but you know, I'm extra and I'm going to. Like, I really don't think I have to though. Besides like styling, I'm talking about like plucking and like plucking wise. This thing is it. Like, this is it. This is it, y'all. So I think I want a side part this time because I always do middle parts. I definitely want a side part, and I'm thinking if I want to glue this wig down or just do like a little quick Got2Be glue. I mean, your Got2Be glue freeze spray on the lace or whatever. Cause I don't know if I feel like gluing this wig down. Y'all, like, I could just see it right now with some curls. You know, when you have a vision in your head on how something should look, baby, it's lit. It's lit. I could barely see with these baby hairs in my face though. Let me get my hot comb out. You know how comb that. And then, like, you know, like certain wigs, you gotta OD cut the ear tabs off. Like, I have a little head, so I only have to cut off a little bit, which is perfect. Like, y'all, we finna get into this wig. Let me plug up my hot comb and my flat iron so we can put some curls up in this and all that. All right, okay. I'm using my Contour 3D art palette by Kiss, and I have two different kinds because they have two different sets of colors in here. And I think I'm going to go with the darker one today because this one has more a more yellow undertone to it, as you can see. This one doesn't. It's like my skin color. So I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use my brush. Let's get to cutting this cap off. So the tape is up there and it looked like so clear. I did put some glue on the hairline of the cap, but that was it. It was so hard for me to get that freaking paper off the tape. So I will definitely make a more detailed video on that later on once I get to know how to like use it better. But let's lay this lace down. Okay, y'all, so it's on and it looks so good. Like I told y'all it was gonna melt. Y'all, this looks too good. Too good. So this is the wig in its natural state. The trick is I put oil on the part that I'm gonna leave out. I mean, that I'm gonna leave out. That I'm gonna put the hot comb to, so that way it will always stay in place. Yo, this looks so good, even in its natural state. Looking in the mirror. Even in its natural state, it looks good. So I'm gonna put some quick curls in it and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is it for this video. This is UNice hair once again. This is a 16-inch wig. 16 inches, and I like long hair, but this hair is actually like, I like it. Like, it's making me like short hair. The curls are holding, as you can see. I did like loose, not loose curls, but not like tight curls anyway. And yeah, so far I like this hair. I love the lace. Like, my lace is melted, honey. Melted. And I didn't do too much like to the baby hairs because I didn't need to. The hairline was already like really natural looking. I just plucked it a little bit more, you know. And yep, so make sure you shop with UNice hair. Everything will be down in the description. The link to this wig will be down in the description. Make sure you follow all of their social medias: Facebook, UNice, Instagram, UNice Hair, and their YouTube channel, UNice Hair. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends about me and all that good stuff. And yeah, so make sure you stay tuned for the review on this hair after having it in for at least 1 or 2 weeks. And yeah, I'll be back with another video. Bye guys.